Hey everyone, it's Clint at Clint's Classic World, looking here at an AAR. Look at this car. It's a very solid AAR. Looks like it's a lime green car originally. Check it out, it's column shift, rally gauges, buddy seat. Look at that. There's a very cool car. You don't see AARs just sitting around. These are very cool. Here's the hood. Look at this hood. Wow. Like it. Look at this, everyone. Here's the undercarriage of this AAR. You can see the disc brakes in the front. Look at that. Pretty cool. Let's go look at the back, see what the undercarriage looks like. Here's the back of the AAR. Look at that. There's, you know, some areas where somebody probably tied it down to the frame and tore that up. That happens. A lot of people just don't know. The trunk actually looks very solid. Has a little bit of rust right here. Not bad though. If you look up there, solid vehicle. It's very solid overall for the most part. You have some few things here and there, but it's not a rust bucket. It's very, look, the floors look good. The floors in this AAR look very good. Wow. Has a rear sway bar, 8 3/4 rear end. Cool. Drum brakes. Here's another shot of the underneath. The floors. Again, the floors look solid. Hey everyone, so I'm sitting here with Tony. Tony, I appreciate that you let me come and take a look at this AAR.
Absolutely.
It's a very cool car. Can you tell me a little bit about this car?
Yeah, this is a factory limelight car, FJ5, no vinyl top, like you said, auto on column. This car was originally optioned with an 8-track radio, as well as the bench seat, auto on column, and the rally dash. It also had a painted front bumper from the factory, so it should have a rubber
painted front bumper.
Should have a rubber bumper, which is just another cool thing about it.
Elastomeric, I love it.
Got build sheet, got both the original fender tag and the Trans Am fender tag that goes next to it.
Awesome.
It's a super solid car. It came out of Idaho originally. We got it here in Houston a few years back. There's a little bit of the original paint showing on the door there that you can tell that it was originally Subline.
Wow.
So it's definitely a good one. Good builder for sure.
Look at this. Let's take a look at the trunk. Or actually, let's take a look at the tail panel first, since we're already here. Nice. Let's take a look at the trunk. Wow, it's still pretty solid in here. It's got a radiator sitting in there. Wow, very cool car. Gotta love it. Let's take a look at inside the engine bay of this AAR here. No engine. Now, so Tony, you don't have the engine for this vehicle?
No drivetrain.
No drivetrain, okay. And you say that this right here is the, it's got the TA on it?
Yep.
Awesome. Steering box. And that's power steering box with power brakes. Cool.
You still see the original black that Organic saw.
Yep.
On the top of the cowl and the inner fenders.
Yep, you sure can.
Original hood pin brackets are still there for the front hood pins.
Yep, cool. Wow. And in case of rainy weather, you know, we have a little umbrella. You never know when we need that. I love it. AR, ladies and gentlemen. Yep. And so you say you have this for sale right now?
Yes, this is for sale. Asking $34,500. It's got a clean title.
$34,500, okay.
Yep.
And like, so how do they contact you if they are interested in buying this vehicle?
So we have it for sale on our page called Classic American Cars, the number 4 sale.
Okay.
On Instagram and Facebook. You can find us on there. You'll find this ad. It has my phone number. And you can see the other stuff we sell on there as well.
Awesome. Well, no, I appreciate you showing us this car.
Yeah.
This is awesome.
Yeah, our main parent company is Mopars 5150. You can see it
Yeah.
online.
Okay.
We take cars all across the country and we build Mopars and do a little bit of everything. So
Awesome.
we got Troy's is the boss. He's out in California with Brandon and Sergio, our metal and interior guy. We've got a big shop out there, and then our guy Alan is in Georgia. He does our paint work for us. We got some more cars out there. So
Awesome.
A little bit of everything, a little bit of everywhere.
Sounds good. Well, I appreciate you giving me the opportunity here.
Yeah, absolutely, man. Anytime.
All right. Talk to you later. Thanks.
Yep.
So here you go, everyone. Here are all the vehicles within here. These are some of the vehicles that Tony was speaking about, all the types of stuff that they do. Take a look at some of these. Pretty cool. Some of these are for sale. Some of them are not. But hey, very, very cool. I appreciate y'all watching. Please subscribe, and we'll see you next time.